Let us discuss one more problem. Integral 4x minus 1 dx divided by x square minus 6x plus 10. Here, this problem is of the form a linear expression divided by a quadratic expression. We know the method of this one and express the numerator 4x minus 1 as a constant a into derivative of denominator plus b. And the method for getting the value of a is comparing the coefficient of x on both sides. Left side the coefficient of x is 4, in the right hand side it is 2a, so the value of a is equal to 2. The next step for getting the constant value b as put x is equal to 0 in that equation. So minus 1 is equal to minus 6a plus b. Put the value of a into that equation. So the value of b is equal to 11. Using that value, 4x minus 1 we can split into 2 into 2x minus 6 plus 11. The numerator is same as 4x minus 1 and split this 2 into 2x minus 6 dx divided by x square minus 6x plus 10 and the constant 11 divided by x square minus 6x plus 10. You know the method for solving the second one. The denominator is quadratic, so split that one into two perfect squares. And for the first part, you put u equal to x square minus 6x plus 10 and the numerator is its derivative. So the first part of that one is log of 2 is a constant 2 into log of x square minus 6x plus 10, and the second part is integral x minus 3 the whole square plus 1 square, that is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So the final answer is 2 log of x square minus 6x plus 10 plus 11 into tan inverse x minus 3 plus c. Next, we have to discuss three more important formula. The first one is integral dx divided by root of a square minus x square. Here the denominator contains a square root symbol. The answer of that one is sine inverse x by a plus c. The second one is integral dx divided by root of a square plus x square. The formula for that one is log of x plus root of a square plus x square plus c. And the third one is integral dx divided by x square minus a square, that is log of mod of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. So try to by heart these three results. That is very important next set of result, and based on this we can simplify the question. Integral dx divided by 9 minus x square. What is the answer of that one? That is very simple. This 9 can be written as root of 3 square minus x square. So the answer is sine inverse x by 3 plus c, because it is of the form 1 by a square minus x square. Next problem is integral dx divided by 16 plus x square. That 16 can be written as 4 square. So the answer is log of mod of x plus root of 16 plus x square. Next problem is integral dx divided by x square minus 25. That is log of mod of x plus root of x square minus 25 plus c. These are primary level problems, but with the help of this formula, we have to solve the problem based on integral dx divided by root quadratic. We have already discussed integral dx divided by a quadratic expression without a square root symbol. Here the method is same as the previous one. Here the problem consists of root of quadratic, and that is usually denoted by dx by root quadratic. And also we have to discuss the problem similar to problem whose structure is integral px plus q dx by root of ax square plus bx plus c, that is integral linear by root quadratic. We have already discussed a problem similar to this one, linear by quadratic, but here the problem is linear expression divided by root quadratic. Let us solve a problem. Integral dx by x square plus 4x minus 5. The denominator is a quadratic one, x square plus 4x minus 5. As similar to our previous problem, you split the denominator x square plus 4x minus 5 as the sum or difference of two perfect squares. So completing the square of the first two parts, x plus 2 the whole square minus subtract the square of 2, that is 4. Now the expression becomes integral dx divided by x plus 2 the whole square minus 3 square. X plus 2 the whole square minus 3 square. The formula for that one is log of mod of x, means x plus 2 here, x plus 2 plus root of x plus 2 the whole square minus 3 square. You can simplify the expression inside the bracket, no problem. Next problem is integral dx divided by 4x square plus 8x plus 12. Here this x square has a coefficient 4. Similar to our previous session, you take this 4 outside from the square root, that will be 2. So the problem becomes integral dx by x square plus 2x plus 3 inside the bracket. So write the function inside the bracket as x square plus 2x plus 3 can be written as x plus 1 the whole square minus 1 plus the constant 3. That is, simplifying this one, half into integral dx by x plus 1 the whole square plus root 2 square. The answer of this one is that constant half into log of mod of x plus root of x plus 1 the whole square plus root 2 square. You can simplify this one also. Next problem is little important because integral dx divided by this expression is 3 minus 2x minus x square. That quadratic term is negative here. We should not take that minus sign outside the square root. So if this minus, if this one is a positive 2 or 3, you can take that one outside the square root. But here that minus we cannot take outside. So simplify that one like this. Integral dx divided by 3 minus of 2x x square plus 2x, and complete the square of this one x square plus 2x here. That is integral dx by 3 minus of that x square plus 2x can be written as x plus 1 the whole square minus 1. Simplifying this one, this minus into minus, this will be positive. So 3 plus 1 is 4. You can write it as 2 square. So integral dx divided by 4 minus x plus 1 square. The answer of this one is sine inverse x by a, x plus 1 divided by 2. And not this problem. This is very important. If the highest degree term is negative or a negative with a coefficient, you should not take that minus outside the square root, and you keep that minus inside the square root and take these two terms together for completing the square. Next, we have to discuss the problem which is of the form integral px plus q divided by root of ax square plus bx plus c. That means linear by root quadratic. Let us see one example. Integral 2x plus 1 dx divided by root of x square plus 4x minus 5. Here the numerator 2x plus 1 is a linear expression. Similar to our previous problems, you take this 2x plus 1 as a into derivative of the function inside the square root. That means that quadratic expression x square plus 4x minus 5 only, plus b. Simplifying, 2x plus 1 is equal to a into 2x plus 4 plus b. Comparing coefficient of x on both sides, 2 is equal to 2a, so the value of a is equal to 1, and next put x is equal to 0. So simplifying, left side 1 is equal to minus 1 is equal to 4a plus b. Put the value of a is equal to 1 in this one, b is equal to minus 3. So let us convert the given problem, 2x plus 1 dx divided by root of x square plus 4x minus 5 as constant a, 1 into 2x plus 4 minus 3. Actually this function or this expression which is same as the previous one, 2x plus 1. So similar to our previous problem, you split this one, the first part, and you split the second part also. Now it is 2x plus 4 dx divided by root of x square plus 4x minus 5, and The second part is 3 by root of x square plus 4x minus 5. The second part you can easily simplify by converting the denominator x square plus 4x minus 5 as the sum or difference of two perfect squares, and the first part. Here the first part is very important. Our previous problem, always numerator is du and the denominator is du by u form. But here it is du by root u form, where u equal to x square plus 4x minus 5 and d is equal to numerator 2x plus 4. So here square plus 4x minus 5 as u and its derivative is 2x plus 4 that lies in the numerator. So the expression first part becomes integral du divided by root u. You know what is the integral of du by root u? 1 by root x, 2 root x. So here the answer is 2 root u. In the second part, you can simplify 3 dx by x plus 2 the whole square minus square of the second one minus 4 minus 5. So that is 3 into integral dx divided by x plus 2 the whole square minus 3 square. The answer of the second part is minus 3 into log of x plus, x means x plus 2, plus root of x plus 2 the whole square minus 3 square. You can simplify this expression and you will get the same quadratic expression in the denominator of the given problem. The first part is 2 root u, 2 into root of x square plus 4x minus 5.